Bro, this thing is dirty as, man. This is caked, man. Yes, sis.
It's literally icing.
Yo, that was good. That was
Great, bro.
my wheelies looking proper,
huh?
Your wheelies are looking good.
Those are the warm-up.
Okay. Yay, mine's looking top. I'm standing up already. Who needs to stand up? Huh? I'll probably go on the side. Bruh. Woo! Yes, that's getting so much in my face here. Hey, bro. Yes! Still in, man!
Okay, we'll go through there.
Yeah.
We'll go up. And then we gotta go that way. Is that the way to Belito? Yeah.
As long as we're going in the...
No, this way is fine. This straight's fine. Because the sea is there.
Yeah.
And it's there.
Geography.
Map.
I'm gonna get stuck in a hill climb, mod. Hey, you just gotta control your speed down here. Keep the clutch in so the bike doesn't run away from you. Pick a good line, avoid any big ugly stones here, and you'll be fine, bro. Ooh, ooh.
You wanna ride my bike?
Huh?
You wanna ride my
We
bike?
can do it later, I don't mind.
Come over. You can ride my bike back.
Okay. Oh. You've ridden a 125 before, you know how slow they are.
Oh Lord of mercy. Oh Lord. Oh,
Everything works, bro.
brake is horrid. Oh Lord. Remember,
Yeah.
powerful.
Yeah. Went in a small vibe. Yes, son, bro. No, not this way, no. Oh, shit, there. No. Oh. What the fuck? No, use the key. Man's nearly died.
There's no fucking traction.
Welcome to my life, bro. You nearly died there.
You have no back brake.
You have to stomp on a cotwall.
This brake. Okay, now we can carry on.
Are you sure? Easy on the brakes there.
Yeah. I can't tell. That's why it takes me 10 years to start. Because like it's light and then it grabs.
Yeah. It's got a gentle first part and then it gets better.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at this. Look at this cloud, bro. This thing is crazy. I want to dirt bike now. There's just so much. Yes, let's slow down just a little bit for my guys. That is very nice. He's
bro, too much.
struggling there.
Yes. We got lost. No, I know that.
Yes, I did like baby ones, but nothing crazy. Understand where I'm coming from, bro.
It's just so much better, bro.
Yep. Oh god. This bike feels like a toy now. Oh shit. Whoa! Oh god. That was wicked, bro. Whoop, no traction. No traction. Oh, it's a pop that gets it done. Yeah. For the wheelies, you seem to have to bump the suspension and then you do the wheelie on the rebound. That makes sense. Yes, boy. There we go. Time to let this thing shot up, you know. I'm literally 5th gear, full pin, and I'm doing 80, bro. This is where we can catch up a bit. Oh, money truck. Full speed! Oh, police. Oh no. Oh no. Just met you at the petrol station.
What's your name again?
I don't know. Who are you? Keegan. And you live in Belito,
No, I live in Southwest.
Nice, bro. Oh, let's go. That was wicked, dude. Oh yeah, that was a nice job. Oh, sick. How's it? Good, thank you.
He's a fucking retard, never mind. Every group has one. Who's the one in your group? Huh? You can decide. Where are you guys heading to? We went to the airport and now we're on our way back.
We're going to Sabaya just to show a shout.
Yeah. Okay.
But one slightly unreliable, so.
Oh, Waka, I didn't even see the thing. What's wrong? No fuel?
No, man, this thing is getting hot, it's cutting off, so we're thinking maybe CDI or something.
Oh.
Is it not valve clearances? Valve clearances. Because I had it on this where it would run for like 5 minutes, then get too hot and stop.
Yeah, swimming.
Oh yeah.
Swimming.
Yeah.
We went there, we came back, filled up, and now we're going, we don't know.
I swear I've seen you guys through the streets the one time. I don't know.
Oh, now how do you cross that river? I mean, not the road bridge.
Yeah, no, it's a
Chicken bridge.
It's like a shit bridge.
Where? Up.
Yeah, but crocodile did, man.
What kind of crocodile?
He was.
Lights fully good.
Hope you make it back and all.
Enjoy the
Good luck with that thing, eh? Good luck. Hey, you see this one? Every time.
He's ready to buy, man. He's ready to buy.
I go in the gas station and this was already started.
Ja, ist das mein Lieder, Wurzel. Yeah, that was Oh, when you did the wheelie, yeah, bro, you're like 10 o'clock. You went all the way back to 10?
That was like 1 o'clock in the morning.
No, that was 10, but...
That was so scary. Because I panicked and I didn't get to a river.